YouTube, what's good, man? It's your boy Drew Cuss, and I'm back at you with my second video, man. I'm about to take a shower. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm about to come at you with my first day in the life video, day in the life of a student barber. And yeah, we're gonna go to school. We're gonna do what we do at school. We're gonna show you some clips from there. I'm gonna go to the shop after school. Let y'all see what I do at the shop, what my station looks like. Try to get some cuts in so I got a little bit of content for you guys. And yeah, man, this is the life of Drew Cuts. YouTube, what's good, man? I just made it to school. Yeah, we're here at Chicoche and stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys see what I do on a daily basis. I'm gonna start my setup, get my stuff right, and yeah, man, I'll see y'all in the next clip. That's my setup. That's usually what I do every day before once I get here and stuff. Yeah, man, that's the basics of it, you know. This is my day in the life video, as I've been saying, and that's how we get the day started. So let's see what comes our way. Maybe we'll get a cut or two, and you know what's going on.
Yo, Juju, what up, man?
Yo. YouTube, what's happening? We're going on our lunch break now.
Damn!
Yeah, man, you know what it is. This lunch break's about like 12:30 and shit, so we're just gonna go do what we do and stuff. So, YouTube, what's good, man? It's a little update. It's a really slow day. I haven't really had many appointments, but besides the fact I think I got one or two after school, so I'll see you guys now. Change of plans. My appointment canceled on me due to, you know, various circumstances, due to the weather and stuff, and he stays an hour away, so that didn't work out. So we're not at the shop. I'm just gonna do a quick time lapse of me editing this video that I'm currently shooting right now. And yeah, man, so enjoy that. This is also a part of my day. This is what I do now, so stay on the lookout, because I'm trying to push out at least 30 to 35 videos within these next 2 months. And yeah, man, just if you're consistent with this and you like the content that I'm putting out, continue to support me, continue to drop a comment, drop a like, drop a subscribe, because I'm doing nothing but trying to help you guys and trying to make you guys better with, you know, what I'm doing. So this is just a little bit about me, and my next video will be my story, and everything after that will be nothing but content helping you guys learn a little bit more, you know. So thank you so much, and cut to the next clip. Yo, man. I know this was not what was expected. I thought I would be getting some content while I'm cutting. I'd have some appointments and stuff, so things went left, and it didn't go that way. But this is my second video ever. This is a day in the life of Jew Cuts, and it was successful. If you messed with it, like, comment, and subscribe. And I mean smash that like button, man. I'm almost at 100 subscribers today, and it's only been 2.5 days since I dropped my first video, so keep running it up. Show me a lot more love, man. This is not about me, it's about you guys. So really, the next video, like I said, I'll be explaining my life journey and how I got here and how I became a barber and how I started doing YouTube and stuff. And yeah, man, and explain just how 2020 was really bad for me and how 2021 is going to be something revolutionary, you know. So it's time for a tonsorial come up. Tonsorial is the original term for barber. Barber surgeon, actually. So I'll go more in depth with that in my next video when I explain a lot more about myself and why I decided to be a barber stylist. So like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Pound that like button, and yeah, man, share this video with your friends. Coming up barbers, you guys are great. Don't let nobody tell you that you're not good. Don't let nobody tell you that you're not, you know, what you need to be. You'll get there. Don't beat yourself up about it. Later on, I'll be throwing in some videos from when I first started cutting on my little brother and my cousin and stuff, man, and it's just ridiculous. I've been cutting for 1 year now, so that's a celebratory thing to be talking about. But besides that, 1 year, and I celebrated with my first YouTube video, so here's the second one, man. 33 more to come, hopefully within the next 2 months, man. We gotta just run it up, man. You know, I told you I'm coming with a lot of content. I'm coming heavy, man. So if you like it, continue to rock with me, man. Yeah, you know what's going on.